Hey there. Today I'm sharing a quick and easy trick to keep your taps sparkling clean. All you need is a white candle, like a tea light or a stick candle. First things first, make sure your tap is thoroughly cleaned. This step is super important because we want the wax to stick properly. Once it's clean, grab your candle and rub it all over the tap until you have a thin, even layer of wax. At this point it might look a little greasy, but don't worry. Next, take a folded paper towel and polish the wax. This will spread the wax evenly, remove any streaks, and leave a shiny finish. So, what's the magic here? The wax creates a protective layer that repels water and prevents those annoying limescale stains. Plus, it makes water droplets run off easily, so you'll find yourself cleaning less often. For the best results, update the wax layer every few weeks. And there you have it. A simple trick to keep your tap looking brand new. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cleaning tips.